How to fix Avast product not activated on Windows. To troubleshoot issues related to activating Avast products, select one of the following tabs according to your platform, your device, Windows PC. Note, instructions in this section apply to the following products: Avast Premier, Avast Internet Security, Avast Pro Antivirus, Avast Secure Line VPN, Avast Cleanup Premium, Avast Passwords and Avast Anti-Track Premium. To troubleshoot activation issues, refer to the following sections in sequence. Retrieve a copy of your license. If you experience any issues during the activation process using either a license file or an activation code, retrieve a copy of your license from the Avast website or your Avast account to exclude the possibility that the issue is caused by the license itself. Activate your product. After you have retrieved a copy of your license, refer to the following articles according to your product and license type to activate it: Antivirus, Avast Premier, License File, Avast Internet Security, License File, Avast Pro Antivirus, License File. Avast Premier, Activation Code, Avast Internet Security, Activation Code, Avast Pro Antivirus, Activation Code, other Avast Windows-based products. Avast Secure Line VPN Multi-Device, Avast Cleanup Premium, Avast Cleanup Multi-Device, Avast Passwords, Avast Anti-Track Premium. If you are still experiencing activation issues, continue to follow the instructions below. Reinstall your product and activate it again. Uninstall your Avast product by following the steps in the articles below according to your product. Antivirus, Avast Premier, Avast Internet Security, Avast Pro Antivirus, other products. Avast Secure Line VPN, Avast Cleanup Premium, Avast Passwords, Avast Anti-Track Premium. Install your product by following the steps in the articles below according to your product. Antivirus, Avast Premier, Avast Internet Security, Avast Pro Antivirus, other products. Avast Secure Line VPN, Avast Cleanup Premium, Avast Passwords, Avast Anti-Track Premium. Activate your product again. Troubleshoot issues related to your order or renewal. If you have a question or an issue related to the order or renewal of your Avast product, refer to the following article: Orders, Renewals, and Refunds, Frequently Asked Questions.